Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact Xim model and firmware version so you know which package to use. Once done, make sure the dongle is charged above 50% and connected with a high-quality USB cable into a powered port. Unstable power ruins flashes. Next, open Xim Central and load the specific firmware file you downloaded. This is the moment to double-check file name and version. Follow prompts to put the Xim into bootloader mode. Press and hold the reset or connect button until the app detects the device. Now you execute the flash. Initiate the transfer from Xim Central and watch the progress bar closely. Do not disconnect the cable, close the app, or sleep your computer. Interruptions corrupt firmware. If the app requests device permission, grant it. This allows proper serial communication. The tool will perform a right then a verification. Verification ensures the firmware bytes match what you sent. If verification completes, the app reports success and often reboots the device automatically. Allow that reboot without intervention to finalize installation. Finish by letting the Xim fully boot, then repair your controllers and reload or reapply your saved profiles. Settings can reset after a major update. Once paired, test inputs in a game and adjust sensitivity slowly. Firmware often changes response curves. If the device behaves oddly, perform a factory reset via Xim Central and set it up again. Resets clear configuration corruption. Troubleshooting tip. If flashing errors occur, switch cables. Use a different USB port or PC, and repeat the bootloader flash. Power or cable faults cause most failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.